before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Life with Brittany and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Show her some love. Tell her say you're interested in her. She posts challenges, travel vlogs. Just go over there, go check it out. I'm gonna put her link in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on it, go over there, help her to grow. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So we're leaving today, the day after Rolly's birthday, right? Jason and Rolly, they don't have the car. When they can't see the bamboo in front, but good morning. Good morning, neighbor. So we are leaving now. Rolly with him little gift. Guys, and I have to watch Jason or Rolly's video to find out what is inside of that gift. So yeah, we are going now. Guys, you don't know me. Me an early bird. Me wake up from morning and done pack. Well, I'm not going to see it in the vlog when I upload before the vlog here. Me wake up from morning, pack up my stuff them and just sit down and wait because it was raining so hard. So, you ready to go down?
Yeah, we're okay.
To them here. So, our time to go down now because rain a fall. You carry one at a time?
Yeah.
Okay. Go on and come. It was nice. It was fun. We need to leave now. Probably about 20 minutes to check out time we have left. I don't know. I have to get up and dispose of garbage and all of them stuff there.
I don't want to go down. 4 years ago,
So you're not drinking a Jagan?
yeah.
How was your birthday?
Oh my gosh, it was the latest. And I'm looking like, oh my god. Alright, so whenever I get for wear the after birthday suit carrying a fall.
You glad to enjoy yourself?
I didn't even do real class. Yeah. Oh, that cheese is sliding to
So guys, them buy 6 Jagan, right? And Rolly saying drink 3. Somebody please tell me if Rolly drink 3, because probably me blind. Probably I'm me as the wrong. And him not pop the champagne it when Jason buy for him. Alright guys, so I reached down at the car and it's still raining now. I like this place, it's not bad. I never did like the room because of the lighting. It's kind of old fashioned, but it's clean. I can't take away that from them. And it smells fresh. But the room kind of old fashioned, like the furniture them and the bathroom. But it's clean and that matter. The lighting though, at first I did say I could look somewhere else because the lighting, but you know, it don't really matter me. When I do a record, I just go outside and record when I record. The best part is we enjoyed the stay and the suitcase them packing. Everything packing and we're waiting for Rolly them to come down. Alright, so we're gonna leave now.
No, make them say, oh. Make them see.
Alright guys, so them say we are going to Rick's Cafe. So make we see how that go.
Alright. What the key?
We're leaving.
Alright, tell them we say thanks.
And bye.
Bye. Rick's Cafe, they back in the town, then go up the road.
Yeah. Safety first. Pause.
Third.
much. Alright, goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Ooh.
Yes, rolling.
Guys, it's time to leave. We eat our belly full. Guys, it was good. I'm not gonna lie, the food tastes nice. Go on first, huh? Thanks. Alright guys, so we reached back into the car and we're gonna drive out now to start our journey. It's raining but not too much, but the food was good. I'm not gonna lie, the food it tastes nice. Them expensive though, I'm not lie. For 3 little barbecue wing at 10,000. Allow me to tell you, get more than 3, but you understand what I say.
Water.
And the water for how much?
$2.
$2 for your water?
$2.
That's 3 bills in there, you know that.
Treat Avan this planet. Big guy.
What we gonna do with this? Me can't print this on me.
No, you know why it's expensive? Come see it in a Times Square. The sign Rick's Cafe.
Alright.
Yeah, Times Square. Big Times Square. Them things big, that them I say.
Rolly did already pray and yeah.
So, I need to allow cars from here. If you don't want it for me, nobody can call.
I want from one person I buy, mama. From one person I buy.
I buy one from them.
Yo, so, oh my gosh, I'm tired. I'm tired for true.
Drive safe and be careful.
Be careful.
Lord, cover him under your blood.
Amen. That's it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can't really pray this morning, but that's just, you know, guidance.
Alright, bless
So,
you.
guys, them a go home now. We reach home. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
And Jason has sort out the dog because him sound hungry.
Dog, why have to get the dog KFC?
That can't take that over the phone.
Woo! Guys, I miss my house. It smells so good. It smells like new, something new. Yeah, we're gonna get some rest cause we're tired.